some copper washers that just kind of still around, caliper, precision screwdrivers, some vacuum tees, drum brake tools, some tools for doing plugs, which I don't get used that much more, a brake bleeding wrench that I don't use much anymore, Duramax filter socket for the sensor, don't use that much anymore, level, bunch of acid brushes, some spare screwdrivers, more brake drum stuff, some batteries for my air pressure gun from Astro Pneumatic. Down here is actually an empty drawer. If you remember from the last tour, this is where I had my air tools and some of my other air tools. I moved them, so a little more organized. Down here, I've got my plastic pop rivet gun, my regular rivet gun, some screwdrivers just thrown in there, some stuff from OTC, cool stuff. Down here, I've got my 3/4 impact, my Astro Pneumatic cutoff wheel, my older Milwaukee drill. I've got an older Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact, my Ingersoll Rand 2135 Ti, my Matco Tools 3/8 air impact, my older 1/4-inch Milwaukee. Of course, grease for my guns, air tool, snap-on air ratchet that I don't ever use anymore. All right, first off, that exit is accessible now. So, nothing in the comments. You can get through it. It's just the way angle it looks, it doesn't. All right, top up here, I've got brake clean, various other chemicals. I've got some filters and stuff for my personal vehicles, some chemicals for my personal vehicles. So, got the Acura compliance bushing kit. I've got the fan clutch tool from Gear Wrench. My slide hammer kit from Cornwell. The accessories from my Cornwell die grinder. My mini ductor. Cam seal installer tool. All right, down here I've got my Infocom TechMate along with UV light and glasses. Next to it I have my fuel injection test kit from Matco. My Astro Pneumatic ball joint adapter set and a battery charger from Schumacher. All right, down here I've got my fuse saver kit, my breakout box, one of my test lights, Noid light kit, terminal kit, my amp clamps, which probably need to go over on the other side, but I haven't moved them over. This is my wire fixing drawer, my soldering irons, wire strippers, helping hands, shrink tube, brass scrubby, cutters, all that kind of good stuff. Got this recently, very cool. My last drawer, got a heat gun, a couple of propane torches, and some Pop-Tarts. I hope you liked the updated tour of my Revel X. If If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. I still have the yellow chicken box to do. Make sure and hit that bell notification to get notified when I do put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you're like the guy that said I have $2,500 worth of tools in this $5,000 toolbox. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.